How to fix Apex Legends matchmaking not working. So if you want to fix your Apex Legends matchmaking not working, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply go with your search and search for the Apex Legends server status. And if it has no current problems with Apex Legends, then you're good to go. But if you have any problems, then you just need to simply wait for 24 hours or 12 hours. And after waiting, your problem might be fixed. Or you can also go with your main menu and change your server. Press the data center option and select the server with low ping or low packet loss, because many times matchmaking bug equals to bad server selection. Or if that doesn't work, then you can just simply go and restart and it might work. So cancel the matchmaking and switch game mode and start matchmaking again. Or if that still doesn't work, then you just need to simply go back, right click on your Windows, and then go with Device Manager. Once you're in your Device Manager, you need to go with Network Adapters. Go and select your adapter, which might be your VPN or something, and update your driver. After updating your network adapters, your problem might be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.